Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where space is used and securing your account. This avoids losing access while cleaning. Open the storage page and check Gmail's share of space, then search for has, attachment larger, 10M to surface big emails. Once done, make sure two-step verification is active and a recovery email is set. This protects you when you delete or move sensitive messages. You'll act quickly on large attachments first because they free the most space with the least clicks. Now you perform the core cleanup. Combine targeted searches to find candidates for deletion. For example, search older than 1Y and larger, 5M to spot old bulky threads, then select all and delete or archive depending on future need. Make sure to export critical conversations as mbox before deleting so you retain records. Once items are deleted, empty trash and spam to reclaim space immediately. Also, check Google Drive and Photos for duplicates or backups that might be using Gmail-linked storage. Finish by confirming space reclaimed. Refresh the storage page and note Gmail's new usage. Sometimes Google needs up to 24 hours to recalculate, so be patient. If you still need room, use Google's Storage Manager for a last sweep and consider purchasing storage only when cleaning won't suffice. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check trash first and restore within 30 days or import your saved mbox files. Finally, make it a habit. Monthly light maintenance prevents future full storage problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.